With 4 girls on our homestead and limited space, sometimes I feel like I'm just going in circles. Katie, when not living in our homestead wall tent, be sure to check out that video if you missed it, has been relentlessly asking me to make her some kind of space of her own. Last year we built a tiny house and we really fell in love with how the sleeping loft turned out. So it got me thinking, why not build a sleeping loft in our homestead attic and give Katie some space of her own? And that is exactly what we did. Here's a quick shot of what that tiny house loft looked like. We're going to attempt to build something similar, but using leftover wood and lumber from previous projects. Just a quick warning up front, I didn't film the entire build project. Sometimes it's just too much to do a large project like this and film everything. However, I did film building the door and the ladder and the final touches and the big reveal at the end. So enjoy. Hopefully this will give you some ideas, some inspiration for your own loft. First I tried a little experiment here on one of the built-in shelves in the loft. Tried to carve a wood flower. It didn't work out, ended up being a fail, but I did learn some things, and now Katie has a flower hidden behind one of her shelves. Didn't waste a piece of wood. Winter in Wisconsin this year was never ending. I spent a lot of weekends working on the loft. Before winter came, I put in a skylight, built some built-in shelves, and those are some of the things that I didn't film, but I'll show you here in the big reveal. Here's some video building the door for the loft, custom built. There's an angle we had to account for. I used some pine board for this, and then also building a ladder. We happen to have a walk-in closet right where the ladder for the attic entrance is. I used some pocket screws for the door and glue. The ladder's pretty basic. I was going to do steps, but it would take up the entire closet. Did quite a bit of sanding and then clamped it up to dry overnight.